Stop eating fruit at random times. We're not the same. Eat the right fruit at the right moment. I'm kiwi. Eat me 45 to 60 minutes before bed. I make your sleep better. I'm banana. Eat me before a workout. I'm quick carbs and fast energy when you need it. I'm watermelon. Eat me during the day. Don't eat me before bed. I can just wake you up to pee.
I'm an apple. Best in the morning. Fiber helps you feel steady.
I'm mango. Eat me earlier as your sweet treat. Don't make me your midnight sugar hit. I'm orange. Pair me with other food. And share this video with your fruit lover.